we'll guide you through how to warp an image in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure Adobe Photoshop is fully open and your workspace is properly prepared for editing. Start by going to the top menu bar, clicking File, and selecting Open to locate and load the background image containing your empty frame or canvas. Once the background image appears in your workspace, return to the top menu, click File again, and select Place Embedded to import the image you want displayed inside the frame. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse your computer and choose the specific picture you want to use. After selecting the image, click the Place button to insert it directly onto your active Photoshop document. Next, click and drag the imported image so it is positioned near the target frame area, making the upcoming adjustments much easier. If the image appears too large, use the corner transform handles to roughly resize it until it better matches the general dimensions of the empty frame. Once satisfied with the initial size, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm placement and remove the transform box. Now, look at the Layers panel in the bottom right corner and ensure the inserted image layer is selected. Navigate to the top menu bar, click Edit, and choose Perspective Warp from the drop-down list. If an instructional prompt appears, dismiss it, then confirm that you are in layout mode from the top options bar. Click and drag over your inserted image to create a perspective grid. Carefully adjust each of the 4 corner pins so they align precisely with the 4 corners of your inserted photo. After the grid is properly positioned, go to the top options bar and click Warp to switch from layout mode into warp mode. Now drag each corner pin individually until it perfectly matches the corresponding corners of the empty frame on your background image. Take your time to align the image accurately with the frame's angle and depth. Once everything matches correctly, press Enter to apply the transformation. Finally, for a more realistic result, return to the Layers panel, open the Blend Mode drop-down menu, and change the setting from Normal to Multiply so the inserted image naturally blends with the frame's shadows and texture.